What's good, people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create ambient sound. Okay, there are 4 things that you should be aware of, and you can create beautiful sounding ambient music, right? So if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and smash the like button so that you won't miss any of my next video. Alright, so let's get started. To create an ambient music, you need to have really soft sounding sound, basically, right? So make sure that the instruments that you choose have that quality of the softness. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I choose the instrument. Okay, I'm going to load up my kontakt. Okay, I have loaded up my kontakt with this amazing piano VST from Native Instruments. This is one of my go-to piano sound, and actually I've created my own the preset here. So this is how it sounds. So it already has that quality of the softness, right? But I'm going to show you how to create this from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the factory and basic grandeur, and here we have a bunch of settings here that you can kind of adjust. So one of it is the lead. You can actually have it open, you can have it halfway closed, and you can have it completely closed. So if you want to create that soft sound, I suggest you to close the lid, right? And then you can just pretty much play this. So it sounds really good. What I did is only close the lid, right? So the other things that you can do, you can actually kind of adjust this dynamic by going to this anatomy. I like to set it high a little bit, right? So it sounds really good, right, when I've closed the lid and I increase the dynamic range a bit. And here you can also adjust the resonance, right? Okay, the next thing you need to do to make sure the instrument that you're playing is not in high velocities. No, we want to play like this. So I'm going to just create a chord progression here for this demo. Okay, just 2 bars. I'm going to just compose a 2 bars. No, let's make it 4 bars, right? Okay, 4 bars of chord progressions, and let's play. Okay, so it's a very simple chord progression with a little bit of arpeggio there. I'm gonna quantize them. So we can see from the velocity lane that this velocity is kind of dynamic, and it's way too, the range of this dynamic is too high, you know, so we don't want that. We wanted them to sound a little bit closer to each other in terms of the velocity, like so. Okay, now let's play it. I quantized it too much, so I just want to have like a little bit of humanization. So let's go ahead and adjust this rough quantize here and select all, press Q. Okay, another thing you have to be aware of is to add sparse melodies. Alright, so I noticed that I've actually created kind of space in between these notes, but here it's a bit kind of busy there. So let's listen again and see if that kind of busyness is needed for this chord progression. Let's remove this, right? I feel like it's too busy there. Now I want to mute this as well. Okay, and all this mute one, I can delete it. Okay, so what you gotta do is you gotta make sure that all these notes are sustained. Right, let's hear it. Okay, this is the last part that you ever need. You're gonna need a reverb. So I'm gonna use the one built in with this plugin, which is this space. If I turn on the space, I can hear the reverb already. Okay, now you have to decide how big of a reverb that you want. Okay, I usually like long reverb, so I'm gonna increase the size, increase the amount as well. Now, okay, that sounds okay. Let me bring up the distance. Okay, or you can just kind of change it to maybe cathedral. That sounds good. That sounds good. Okay, the other thing that you can do, if you don't want to use the reverb with the plugins, you can of course turn it off, right? And then you can go to the insert and add your favorite reverb. So I'm gonna add, I like this mutant reverb, but let's go with Revelation, right? Okay, make sure to reduce the mix a little bit. Okay, I like that reverb. Okay, but I think it's too much, so let's drop the level here. You can of course add the delay as well. So make sure to lower down the mix. Let's bring it to 8. Okay, once you add delay, make sure to not use this instrument as a melody instrument. So, for example, you can actually use this as a melody instrument as well, but you have to make sure that you don't play a fast rhythm, right? So you can try something like this. I'm going to play the melody that we have here with these settings. Let's see how it sounds. It sounds good already, right? So let me recap. First, you have to have a soft sound. So we got the soft instrument, and then we have to have the low velocity. Okay, make sure all the notes that you're playing, whether the chords or the melodies, it must be in low velocity. Third, we have to give it a lot of space, right? Each note should not be so fast like this. You can do like this, right? But you have to have a reason for doing that. Maybe you want to transit to another section. Okay, I'll touch that in the next video. Okay, for now, just have a lot of space between each notes. So that gave us an ambient vibe, right? It's amazing. So the last one is to add reverbs and delays, all those space effects. All right, so that's all you need to create ambient music. So that's it, guys. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.